Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe is starting to, make some very good progress once again. And RSI still shows a bullish divergence. I still like the progress of the divergence right now. And this looks incredibly healthy at the moment. So retest to me does look like is being successful. Okay, you're making some double bottoms as well. You're making inversal candles here. You're making not inverse, but reversal candles on the daily time frame. You're making reversal candles on the weekly time frame. So it's pretty clear what the purpose really is right now. So the purpose is to slowly start to get back up, and then in the next coming weeks, you start to go to the upside. If you notice the EMAs, you are bouncing off the 10 as well. So the 10 is being held at the moment because if you notice, last time you went up, you came to the 10, you bounced off, you went up again, and now you're coming back to the 10, and you can actually expect another bounce off. So it has been really crazy right at the moment. Move up, come down, move up, come down again, and then move to the upside, and then from here maybe come down and then go back up again. So that's the expectation. And as I said in the yesterday's video, we might just see Pepe coming up to 2-1, 2-1-1, as long as we do not really come down to 8-7-3-6. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.